Hello, this is Kathy with Utah DIY Wedding. I'm at one of my weddings in Spanish Fork and just kind of wanted to walk you through it and show you what they've done. So here's the entryway. Now some of these things they have added on their own, like the gold deer, but a lot of this is really easy to do as well. They've gotten 15 Christmas trees from me to use for this wedding, and then I think they have some of their own as well. But here's a beautiful entryway that they've done, and now we're going to walk in here. The wedding starts in an hour, so people are kind of doing stuff. Here they have a chalkboard with their name and everything and their wedding date. Here's their sign-in table. The sign-in table is actually the grandmother's. Isn't that gorgeous? Then they've got Christmas trees, and I love how they've taken and made some seating on the side. They pulled the couch out of the entryway. Another Christmas tree. Here is their drink station. They're doing hot chocolate because, you know, it's cold outside. And they've got one of my drink containers. Then here is, you know, we talked this year about how I'm doing specialty food displays. This is an electric s'mores bar. And they put a backdrop behind it to make it look cute. But this was a really easy one to do. LDS churches don't allow live flames, so we took a smokeless grill and we've made it into a s'mores bar, and it works great. They're using the vases to put sticks in. There's going to be cookies and marshmallows in here within the hour. And then people always talk about the stages and what to do with them. I like to decorate the stages. And so here they've got lots of lanterns. They added little trees. This is one of my favorite pieces I have, one of these little heart logs things. They put a little bench up here. They've got pictures, just lots of little decor pieces to make it look beautiful and full. I'm going to step back and kind of get a bigger shot of it, but it's really great. And then they've added the Edison lights in here so that they don't have to use a cultural hall lighting. This one only has the fluorescent lights, and they've just used lots of Christmas trees around here. Here is where their cake will be. They've used, those are my shutters behind it. That's my favorite set, the curved ones. Here's one of their centerpieces. They actually did two different centerpieces. So this one is our wire cage lanterns. And then here's a different one that they're using as well, a different set of my lanterns. For their backdrop where they're going to stand, let's get back here and we'll show you. They've got my white rustic doors, and they put a tree on each side. Then they covered another corner with Christmas trees. And then look, we get the first gift. First gift of Christmas. So here's the gift and card area. And we've got a ladder with the love letters on it. And then this is a crate that you can use for cards. And then I have these benches that I really love to use for gifts rather than the same old table stuff. So let's kind of give a sweeping view of the room and show you how pretty it looks. They've done a great job in here. Nothing too fancy. It was a lot of work to set up the trees, but I think it's turned out really well. So we'd love to help you with your wedding. $395 gives you complete decor. Everything you see here was part of that $395 decor package. We give you a bonus item and the food display. So they for their bonus item, they chose the extra backdrop. There is a few items, they're the bride's and her family, but overall, this is what our weddings look like. Have a great day.